A home. It's more than walls and windows. It's a place of warmth, comfort, and security. That's why we're proud to partner with a wider circle for Home Reimagined. Together, we're transforming lives, one home at a time.
So Wider Circle is a furniture bank. We're the largest furniture bank in the Mid-Atlantic. We serve about 10 to 15 individuals and families out of our 35,000 square foot warehouse every single day here in Silver Spring, Maryland. Home Reimagined is really a more impactful and kind of elevated version of our service. It's the same donated furniture, but we partner with interior designers and moving companies to completely transform multiple homes in one day.
At Washington Gas, we believe that safe, affordable, and reliable energy is essential to making that foundation strong.
My connection to a wider circle started about a year and a half ago through a volunteer event that we did with our team at Washington Gas. I wanted to be part of something, a nonprofit board that actually made a difference in the communities where we lived and worked. And a wider circle certainly made a difference in the community. But what was really interesting, and I've learned a lot as I've sort of embarked on this journey, was really how closely aligned the missions for a Washington Gas and the wider circle, how closely aligned that they really are. We both serve the same communities, very active in the DMV. Our customers are their clients and vice versa.
Just as a wider circle fosters the exchange of goods, skills, and connections from neighbor to neighbor, Washington Gas is ensuring every home in this initiative receives a weatherization kit, helping to make these spaces more comfortable and energy efficient for the long term. But we're not just delivering supplies, we're rolling up our sleeves. Washington Gas volunteers will be on the ground working alongside the community to make homes safer, warmer, and more sustainable. And in a special commitment to this vision, Washington Gas is sponsoring a signature home, ensuring one family's dream of a secure and welcoming space becomes a reality.
It starts in the home with the client. You get an idea from the client what they love, and from there you build an inspiration.
They're working so hard to really make this house into a home, and it's really great to see Washington Gas as not only a utility but a community partner in our counties.
A wider circle envisions a world without poverty, where people have what they need to thrive. Because when communities come together, homes aren't just built, they're reimagined. Washington Gas, proudly fueling the future, one home at a time.